Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit this image to make it look exactly like this. Blemish remove, frequency separation, eye and teeth whitening, and every other method I would like to apply to this image. Here's the before and here's the after. I'm going to use this plugin, the auto retouch plugin, and in order to edit this image, just click on auto retouch and it gives you this amazing result. Let's delete this layer so that I'll show you how it works in real life. So with just a click of auto retouch, the image is going to be edited for you. Before you click on the auto retouch, you can come to the settings and choose which particular settings you want to apply. Let me just apply the magical skin tone this time so that you see how everything works here hand in hand. And just click to auto retouch and click on auto retouch, and it's going to take between 10 to 30 seconds. It's very fast. It's a very fast method of editing your image. So you see it's happening right here in real life. And before you click on auto retouch, you can adjust the intensity of the frequency separation. That is a level of smoothness. You can see it's super fast. If you look down here, you see that the image is already getting edited for you automatically. And you can also increase or reduce the texture radius now before you click on auto retouch. So that is the only settings you need to apply, and voila, here was the before and here is the after. Everything applies stage by stage. So if you look down here, you can see this is the blemish remover. Let me turn off the whole layers so that you see exactly how it retouch this image step by step. Here it is a blemish remover. All the blemishes are gone. And then the frequency separation. The frequency separation, you can see the opacity is 80 because of these opacity settings we give here, and the texture radius that was used was 8. If you've done manual frequency separation, you know what texture radius actually does to the image. The bigger the number, the more natural the result. The lower the number, the more smooth the image gets. So we use 8, between 8 and 10 to get a natural look. And you can turn it off for a more just blemish remove the image, or you just turn it on for this one with the frequency separation applied. You can see the magical skin tone right here being applied only to the skin, and you see that it's just applied only to the skin, leaving other area of the image intact. So the magical skin tone, if you've used our beauty retouch before, you know there's a magical skin tone there, but right here this one is applied automatically just to the skin, and you can see the result for yourself. Maybe if there's anywhere that you did not apply correctly, maybe a little minor adjustment you need, take your brush and then just paint that area. And as easy as that. If this was a fast retouching, we're already done. But if you have time, you can always go on to refine. You can see eye whitening before and after. The eye is now white. You can now see the teeth whitening before and after. You can see the teeth has been cleaned out. And then you can see the smart sharpening to add that little bit of smart sharpness that looks very natural and crisp. So let's take a look at the overall before and after. Here was the before and here is the after. To get this ASAP retouch, you just come to your internet and go to asaprettouch.com. And once you get to asaprettouch.com, you can just come down here and download ASAP. And the download is going to happen automatically. You download ASAP for absolutely free. Once you download ASAP, you install it. To install ASAP is super easy. Let me look for a version of ASAP and install it for you. So once you download ASAP, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get this package, and just unzip the ASAP Retouch PS zip file, unzip it, and come to that. This is a plugin right here. Double click on the plugin, and once you double click on this plugin, it's going to open inside Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud is actually free to download, and it's just 3.6 MB. This installation guide I'm showing you is the same with PC and Mac, so it's very straightforward. So you already have a version of this plugin installed. Continue installation. We override it. This pop-up is coming up because I already have it installed. So just click on OK just to show you acquiring plugin done. Just like that. Just open in Photoshop, and have this plugin right here in Photoshop. So it's very easy to install. And once you install ASAP Retouch, there are some functionalities here that are absolutely free. The smart sharpening is absolutely free. You can always use it. The global dodge and burn is also absolutely free. Adding global dodge and bone adds this depth to your image, this extra depth, which is amazing. You can always use it for the images that requires it. Then we have the eye anti-whitening. This one uses credits. The magical skin tone uses credits. If you come to the manual tab, you can see manual frequency separation. It's absolutely free. Dodge and bond absolutely free. Texture, you can add texture to your image, is also absolutely free. The high highlights, magical skin tone, the manual magical skin tone that you have to manually max out is free. Anti-red is free. The saturation is free. And color pop is also free. So there are a lot of free functionalities in this plugin, just like free beauty retouch with an extra functionalities of auto retouching, which uses credits. The auto retouch uses credit, but the credits are very, very cheap. So if you click on get credits, it's going to take you to the website. So I want to show you how cheap these or plugins as credits are. So if you come to the subscription, you can see for every day, if you want to retouch every day for $1, you get 15 credits. So you edit over 15 images for just $1. It's super cheap. It's the cheapest you can ever see anywhere. And this plugin is super powerful. It's the only plugin in Photoshop that has automatic frequency separation as of now. And you can see the results it gives is also really nice. Let me just delete this stuffs I did. You can see that the result is really, really nice. So, and it's this cheap. So even if you take images for $1 per picture as a professional photographer, you still just have to use, let me say, just 0.1% of your cost to get the image automatically retouched with ASAP retouch. So it's super cheap. You not see a cheaper option anywhere else. And you can see the pay as you go. For $10, you get over 100 credits, and every credits one credit is for full retouching. So you can use one credit for full retouching. The credit doesn't care if you turn on only frequency separation or if you turn on everything. If you turn on everything, it's still one credit. If you turn on one thing, it's still one credit. So far, I just apply the retouching once. If you just click on auto retouch once, it takes just one credit. Super cheap, super affordable. I like to get your feedback in the comment section. And if you like to support the channel, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips, tricks, and photography tutorial. Happy to be part of your creative journey. See you in another amazing tutorial.